This is probably the most important takeaway of the whole presentation, which is distinguishing AI from a point solution to a system solution. When you are going to go away from here, and you're going to look at some of the problems in your pathways, whether it's your client's pathways or your own pathways, and you will then tag a potential AI solution based on the capabilities that you've learned to that problem, you are going to create a point solution. That particular point in that particular pathway that you have found a problem in and found a solution for will be solved. But that's also a short-term solution. What do I mean by that? We are in this in-between age of AI where we've been promised a lot of things, but we haven't fully appreciated or seen the benefits. And I argue the result of that is because we are in that point solution phase. And the analogy that I can best describe that in is the Industrial Revolution and the factories that existed. Now, if you think of the factories in the 19th century, you had a central steam engine. And that central steam engine controlled, or essentially gave power to all the machines in the factory. The very layout of the factory was dependent upon where is this central steam engine. Not based on efficiency, not based on anything else. Just where is this steam engine? And it was connected through belts and shafts, and all these machines were controlled by this central steam engine. Electricity came about. Let's remove the central steam engine and replace it with electrical power. Point solution. They saw a few benefits, a bit of energy saving, but it just didn't hit. It didn't scratch that itch that everybody thought would with electricity. Until someone zoomed out and realized, hold on a second, if we don't need to have a central power any longer, we have this decentralization of power with electricity, we can actually start laying out our factory according to production, according to the most efficient way, not according to where the steam engine is. We can now have electrical power or an electrical motor in each of the machines. We can now switch each machine on and off depending on whether we're using it or not. When we want to add a new machine, we can just connect it to the grid. So when somebody took the system thought and not just the point thought, that's when we saw the revolution occur at a degree that nobody would have expected. And that's where we are with AI right now. There are a lot of point solutions. They're all siloed off, but we have to try and think of it as a system and see how we can take different AI tools, different point solutions that you're going to find in the pathways, the problems you're going to find in the pathways of your clients as well as yourselves, and see, okay, how does this impact the system and how can we make a more holistic AI experience for whoever it is you're dealing with. We're at an extremely, extremely privileged and exciting time of humanity. We haven't had the opportunity to do the kind of things that we're going to be able to do with AI. And I just hope that when you're interacting with your clients and with yourselves, because you're going to have problems in your own pathways, remember that creepy versus convenient paradigm. Try it, explore it, be confident in it, and don't think that you need a computer science degree for it. I don't have one, I don't know how to code at all. You just need to have that one thing that AI will never ever have, which is creative thinking. Thank you so much.